Chris Myhill of Ysgol T Coch in Tonteg is a man of action and passionate about recycling and caring for the environment. With the help of pupil Jonathan Bilpin, he has installed numerous recycling stations throughout the school, established an eco-school committee, and been instrumental in making sure the gardens around the school look their very best throughout the seasons. As well as recycling, he's also passionate about cycling and overseeing the installation of a new gate to ensure the safe passage of students onto the cycling path alongside the school grounds. Chris drives projects forward by engaging the pupils with his contagious enthusiasm and achieves high-quality results that improve the quality of life at the school for both pupils and staff.